Okay, so it says graphs of the functions f and g. So function f and function g are shown in the xy plane above. For which of the following values of x? So remember, this is the x-axis right over here. Okay, and when they say what value of x, it says here f of x and g of x equal 0. So what you have to understand about anything equaling 0 is that they have to be opposites, okay? Something like this, like if it's going to be 100, the other one's got to be minus 100. Do you get that? If one is negative 10, the other has to be positive 10. That's the only way that it could equal 0. Do you guys get that? So it's going to be one number that has the same number in the positive or the negative pointage. So when you look at this graph, like for example, if I were to go here on this line, let's just say I were to choose this one, okay? This would be like 1, 2, 3, 4 down, but up here it'd be like 1 or maybe point something. Those are not the same. Do you guys get that? If I were to draw a line here, the only one that's truly identical, as in like a plus and minus of the same number, is at this point right here. This is at -2 and this is at +2. So if I take any point from function f right here at -2, and then I take that exact point from function g right there at +2, it would add up to 0. Okay, so we found our point. That's very easy for us to do. The part that confuses a lot of kids is, well, then how did you get the answer -2? They asked for which of the following values of x. So at what point on this line, so let's just say if I were to draw a line here and this was the answer, my answer would be like, because this is the x-axis and this is 0, 0, it would be like -0.5, but that's not the answer. Right over here where it meets, where it adds up exactly to 0, if you were to look at where it pierces the x-axis, it's at, this is 0, 0, this is -1, and this is -2. If you were to draw a straight line through the x-axis, and that's why the answer is B, -2.